How to apply for student finance in Bihar. Step-by-step guide. Bihar Student Credit Card. Here is a step-by-step guide. How to apply for student finance in Bihar. Step 1. Visit the official website. Go to the Bihar Government's official education finance portal, PMU Bihar Student Credit Card Scheme, or search Bihar Student Credit Card Scheme on your browser. Links. Step 2. Register as a new user. On the homepage, click on New Applicant Registration. Fill in your basic details like name, mobile number, email, and create a password. Verify your details via OTP. Step 3. Log in to your account. After successful registration, log in with your credentials, email, phone number, and password. Step 4. Fill in the application form. Once logged in, select Student Credit Card or SCC under the schemes. Fill in all the required fields such as personal information, academic background, and course details. Step 5. Upload required documents. Ensure you have scanned copies of these documents ready. Aadhaar Card, 10th and 12 mark sheets, income certificate, residential certificate, admission letter or course details, bank passbook copy, passport size photograph. Upload each document in the specified format and size. And before we proceed, in order for you to encounter no errors in uploading your required documents, please do share, like, and subscribe to our channel. Step 6. Submit the application. Review your application thoroughly before submitting it. Click on the Submit Application button. Step 7. Track your application. After submission, you can track the status of your application by logging into your account. Step 8. Attend the interview or verification. Once your application is reviewed, you may be required to attend an interview or verification process. You will be notified via SMS or email. Step 9. Loan approval and disbursement. If all documents are verified, the loan will be approved and the amount will be disbursed directly to your college or institute. Required documents checklist. 1. Aadhaar Card. 2. 10th and 12 mark sheets. 3. Proof of admission. 4. Income certificate. 5. Residential certificate. 6. Bank passbook. 7. Passport size photographs. Important tips. Double-check the documents and information before submission. Keep copies of your submitted documents for reference. Regularly track your application status. And that's it, friends. You have taken your first step toward achieving your educational dreams. Remember, education is the most powerful tool you can use to change your world. And today, you have unlocked that magic. So keep believing in yourself, keep pushing forward, and never stop chasing your goals. If this guide helped you, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe for more empowering content. As always, remember, the future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. Eleanor Roosevelt. Keep dreaming, keep believing, and the universe will align in your favor. Until next time, stay magical, stay inspired.